yellow car.
Sure, he can't hear you from all the way over here.
You threw me off so much. Car switch. We've had our 20 chicken nuggets.
Oh god.
So now we're actually gonna go.
Third exit. Oh, that's almost like a U-turn. Right, I need you to count exits with me. Oh,
We have arrived.
oh look at this fella going
Like
slowly.
the
What a
muddiest
coward.
lane ever.
Don't be such a wimp, go! I don't have
You
road
and your
rage.
Audi.
I don't have road rage.
You just have a muddy car.
I now have a muddy car, that'll give me rage.
Look at him go.
I'm trying to concentrate on what's on the road, but you're making this really difficult.
Moving, it's fine.
Look how many cars are coming, bloody hell.
So popular. It's so close, you get so far. This is professional tent building. So, yeah. Now we're in the tent. So it's going well. Jess had one job, organise us. Tent, more or less done.
This is where we're having the tent.
You just ready with the hammer? We're just putting it here? Okay. It's been 45 minutes and we're still trying to peg this damn tent down. Oh yeah. Okay, so we found some rope around the campsite and now we're trying to make a dry patch under because we have an emergency blanket and it's actually going awesomely. So excited. Engineering this shit.
There we go.
We've done it. We made our shelter. Oh yeah.
Probably, maybe.
Food train.
Right, can this activity end now, please?
That's not spooning, Jess, that's just lying on top of us.
Right, no.
Right. Now we're just writing down all the funny things that happened today.
Apparently so. People who hunt ghosts and block them. Obviously a blockbuster. Larissa, what's the place called? Sam and Jess. Left, 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 left.
Where do they put old stuff? I think we'll come and look at it. Eve, time at home. What do you pay in the government if you own a house? Eve, luncheon tax. People who have clothes can't block them. Sam, blockbuster. Larissa, what's his place called? Sam and Jess, left, 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 left.
Do you understand what a rap is?
I don't think so.
Professor Plum, the plumber, team dyslexic is back. Alright!
Intense games of chess.
What does life come to?
Here we have a moment of silence. Everyone drawing.
So we can remember which one is acid and which one's alkaline.
Like,
Cup now. Away from the side.
oh, I could. I don't want to though.
Do it! Oh.
I can't.
Lifeguards imported from Spain. Towels imported from Turkey. And Turkey imported from
So we have resorted to Andrew's car while we eat food because we helped make the fire.
From which I have a feeling that I've inhaled my body weight in charcoal, which I know isn't much,
Yeah.
but
Our lungs are now made of smoke.
Yep.
It's going well. And oh.
apparently we
well,
can't have a fire without us
apparently,
being
yeah.
there.
But still food. So
I'm quite happy.
you can just kind of deal with it.
Fetch me my gin.
Well, we all become horrible people.
Where is my pink
Mine's actually quite sweet.
I need my Tiffany hairband. And then I can go for a float. Someone like never before. I want more.
She wants fabulous. That is a simple request. All things fabulous. Bigger and better and best. She needs some.
Cause baby, now we got bad blood. You know it used to be mad love. So take a look what you've done. Cause baby, now we got bad blood. Now we got problems. And I don't think we can solve them. You made a really deep cut. And baby, now we got bad blood.
Too dark. This.
As we arrive back in Eastbourne, the weather dramatically changes to sunny.
Once we get there, it'll rain. It's fine.
Probably.
So perfect, standing there in my American apparel.
Hey, thanks for watching the first video I've ever edited. I used Hitform 3 Express, if anyone was wondering for some reason. And if you'd like to see the song I made for our last camping trip from 2014, please click this cube if I figure out how to do it. If not, then I'll just leave the link in the description below, I guess. Thanks for watching and hope you enjoyed it.